Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm here again with another strategy on how you can make money with CPA marketing. So make sure you do stick on, watch this video to the end, and actually do learn this exact same strategy because it's a beginner friendly strategy and also guys 100% free strategy. So guys, you want to just simply stick on, watch this video to the end, and without further ado, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So right here guys, I'm going to be using this CPA marketing platform called CPAGRIP. If you don't have an account, it's quite easy. Go on to clicking on register, you'll be able to see that icon right here. You're brought to this page, fill out this form appropriately, then you can then just simply go on to creating your account for absolutely free. You can then just simply log into your account right here. As you can see, I'm in the bio of my account right now. So what you want to do right now is to click on offer tools, click on my offers, and if you do that right here, you just want to go on to selecting a top tier country such as the United States right now. If I do select that, I'll be shown offers to that particular country right there. Because that country do has a high buying power, it's quite easy to promote offers to that type of country right there. So right now guys, you can see that these offers are actually available to the United States demographic right here. You can see this offer is to actually go on to installing the Atapool app. This one right here is to access your rental assistance right now. And you can actually go on to checking out more details of offers right here. But basically guys, I do actually like offers that are sweepstake offers right there. So among all the offers right here, the best sweepstake offer could be this offer right here, which is to claim your food stamp support. And if you actually do come right here, you can see the payout to this offer $1.45 is an Apple iOS offer and also a desktop offer. You can actually see also an email and zip submit offer that your lead will actually have to submit their email or zip code while going through a survey for you to do earn some affiliate commission from this particular offer. Here right here is your unique affiliate link. You want to just simply copy that and head on to this platform called the tinyurl.com. So once you're on the tinyurl.com, simply come right here, paste in that particular link and click on shorten URL, and you do get a new URL for this CPA marketing offer that has actually been shortened. You could then copy this URL and try as much as possible to drive traffic to this particular link right here or your CPA marketing offers. And how do you do that? You want to just simply take advantage of this platform right here, which is called Twitter. And guys, a lot of people do go on to neglecting Twitter when it comes to promoting or promotions right here or ads. A lot of people do go on to neglecting Twitter, forgetting that Twitter do actually has more visits and traffic than Instagram right there. People do focus more on Instagram and rather on Twitter. So you want to just simply take this advantage right now that Twitter do actually get about 6.5 billion visits every single month. And you could actually check out the top countries that do visit this website the most. It's actually the United States, that they do have about 25% of this particular website's traffic. You could also see Japan has about 15%, United Kingdom 5%, Brazil 3%, Canada 3%. And guys, you want to just simply take advantage of this fact because you want to promote a United States offer right here on Twitter. So how do you do that? You just want to go on to making a tweet or post right here on Twitter. So you want to just simply click on post right now, and you can then just simply go on to finding out a cool image for this particular post. So guys, I'm just going to use this exact same image right here for this particular video just for tutorial purposes, but you want to make sure you do get a very cool image that's actually attractive to your audience. So I'm just going to save this image right now on my device, and once I do save this image on my device right here that's been downloaded on my device, I'm just going to go back to Twitter, click on this image icon, and actually do go on to uploading that image right there. So if I do select this image, you can see that the image has actually been uploaded. Then in this section, you want to just simply type something cool. So right now you could just simply type in something like this. Maybe if it's a gift card offer, you could just simply click on follow for claim or follow to claim gift card. But since this offer is actually related to food stamp, I'm just going to change that to something like follow to claim food stamp. And you see the steps right here, which is to like this post, comment on this post, and retweet on this post. But basically guys, you cannot just simply go on to putting in that particular CPA marketing offer link right here because your account may actually do get banned. So instead, you want to just simply use a landing page, and you could just simply take advantage of this platform right here called the link tree. So actually do get a simple landing page right there because This platform is actually quite amazing. You could use this platform single link to represent multiple links. And I'm not going to dive in much about Linktree right here because you should already know what Linktree is all about right here. And guys, this is actually my Linktree right here. You can actually see that I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers to the United States demographic, and I can just simply come right here, click on share, copy my Linktree link, and I'm going to go back to my Twitter post right here and going to paste in that right now. So once I do paste that in right here, all you want to do right now is to just simply go on to finding something that is actually trending right now. Maybe I could just simply go on to finding something trending right now and use that as an advantage to go on to ranking my video. Supposing cryptocurrencies are actually trending right now, I'm just going to put in a hashtag cryptocurrency. So you want to just simply search for something that is trending right now and just simply use that to your advantage. So you could use in this platform right here, which is trends.google.com, to actually find out what is trending right now over the world. You could just simply go on to trending right now, and you could just simply change this country right here to something like the United States. So I'm just going to go on to selecting the United States. And right now you could see that all these topics are actually trending right now. You can see Breaking Bad is actually trending. I can just simply go back to Twitter and just simply put in a hashtag Breaking Bad. So you can see right now, if I do select hashtag Breaking Bad, once people do go on to searching for Breaking Bad, this particular post is actually going to help me rank, or this particular hashtag is actually going to help me rank right there for such searches, and a lot of people will be able to see this particular post right there, and they will actually go on to following these steps to claim this food stamp. And guys, they're actually going to like this post, comment on it, and in retweeting this post, it actually gets to more audience right there before they can then use this link to go on to gaining access to this CPA marketing offer, which if they do complete, they stand the chance of getting their food stamp support. So this is quite amazing right here. Take advantage of this strategy and use that to get traffic to your CPA marketing offer. So guys, another strategy which you could use right here is make use of this platform called the richeffect.com. And this is quite an amazing ad platform where you could go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers for a very cheap rate right here on this particular platform. Just simply go on to sign up on this platform and actually promote your CPA marketing offers for absolutely cheap rates on this particular platform. And it's going to be quite amazing right here. So guys, if you want to just simply learn more about this platform called the richeffect.com, click on subscribe to this channel. Make sure your notification bells is turned on all, because in my next video, I'm going to just simply create a cool video for you on how you could promote your CPA marketing offers on this platform called the richeffect.com. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.